Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today I'm going to show you a spicy curry which I'm sure is going to be a weekend special dish. Let's make the Mutton Kofta curry. For the Mutton Kofta curry, here I have 750 grams of mutton mince, which we're going to put in a grinder. To this we are going to add half a cup of chopped coriander. I have taken 3 green chilies that I have finely chopped, which I'm going to add to this. A tablespoon of garlic paste. A tablespoon of ginger paste. 1 onion that I have finely chopped here. I'm going to add this as well. And now I'm going to grind this to a nice paste. We've ground this to a nice paste. Now let's add the remaining spices to this. A teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, a tablespoon of roasted coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted gram flour or besan, a tablespoon of almond powder, 1 tablespoon of cashew nut powder, some salt, and now we're just going to crack an egg in this. Mix this really well. We've mixed this well, and now let's keep it aside and get on to making the gravy. For the gravy, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. And once the ghee melts, here I have 2 cups of fried onions, which I'm going to just gently crush with my fingers. And I'm going to just add this. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of desiccated coconut, a heaped teaspoon of ginger paste, a heaped teaspoon of garlic paste, and just saute this. The raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. I'm going to add a tablespoon of cashew nut powder, a tablespoon of almond powder. Saute this for a few seconds. To this we are going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, a tablespoon of roasted coriander seed powder, and I'm just going to saute this for a few seconds, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of water because we don't want our masalas to get burnt. To this, now I'm going to add a cup of beaten yogurt. I've kept the flame on a medium, and now I'm going to just saute this till the oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated here. Now I'm going to add a puree of 4 tomatoes that I've simply boiled and made into a pulp. And I'm going to further saute this till a little more oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated here. Now let's add a cup of water to this. Mix this well. Add some salt. And let's boil this curry for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. While the curry is boiling, let's make the koftas. Normally, the way we make koftas is by frying them, deep frying them, but here we're not going to deep fry them. We're just going to simply make balls and we're just going to leave it in the gravy, cover it and cook it for at least 20 minutes. I'm going to roll nice big koftas and I'm just going to put them into the gravy. Now let's cover this and cook it on a medium flame for 20 minutes. We've been cooking the mutton kofta curry for almost 20 to 25 minutes. As you can see, the koftas have also got cooked. Now let's just sprinkle some garam masala powder in this. 1 green chilli finely chopped and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix this gently. Let's cover this and cook for another 2 minutes. And our mutton kofta curry is ready to be served. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. Let's garnish this with a few finely chopped green chilies, some fresh coriander, and our mutton kofta curry is ready to be served. You can serve this with naan or steamed rice or any other bread of your choice. I'm sure you're going to try this delicious recipe for your weekend. So do try this and let me know.